You say to the people then.
Yeah, man. At Jamaica, we say every time, you know. I tell you, at Jamaica, we say every time. Because, as I say, I know the White Plains, I know the Bronx, I know the Queens, I know the Virginia, I know everywhere in America. I've been there, done that. But at Jamaica, it's easy now. You know? Everything good.
So why you leave? Why you say this are the move? You have to come back. Why you have to come back?
Well, my dream was Jamaica, you know. At Jamaica, I love my heart and everything that Jamaica. So it's like I go to America and God help me make money. I'm just return. I'm just set up my farming and pig farm and goat farm and everything. You know? And all set.
So you make money from the pig?
No, I say I go to America and make money and come back home.
And you buy the pig them?
Yeah, man. And
so you have, you have to set up a farm when you come back?
You have to set up something because if you have, remember, you know, if I have the river and you run here and no rain and fall, the river can run dry. So if me make some money and come back to Jamaica and pack up the money like say it's enough like my house.
Yeah.
I mean I do something for invest and for maintain it. The money I can run down. So when I do now, I create something for have every day to make an everyday living. You understand? I'm dip on the farm and everything I go on, everything good. Big up everybody that New York, same you know. I love you still. Connecticut.
How old is now?
44.
Yeah, and you live out already, so you just go just play some domino and drink some rum and you're good.
I'm a good man.
Smoke some good herbs.
Well, you don't know, and everybody smoke still, but you know, blessed is the man who want to smoke it.
Yeah.
But me not smoke it. I mean I drink still, so. But I'm good. As I say I'm good, nah I complain. I get up every morning, fresh, you know.
Like, are you this?
Yeah man, I'm good man. I'm hug them, I'm going to feel right now, you know. I feel like I hug them.
Well, you're an inspiration to many.
Yeah.
I want to make the move.
Yeah man.
So farm the thing.
Yeah man.
Save your money.
Save your money. Because I'm going to tell this again. I got foreign, I'm people there from the 60s, the 70s, the 80s. I'm run left them and come back. I'm just go to 10 years and come back and come back. I'm good. Show them all my house. I just at the back of the house.
You build it from scratch?
From scratch. Pops can tell you.
So your family help build it, you know really?
I'm alone build my thing man.
You physically lay your block?
No, I have contractor to build it, but
build
I
it.
spend my money and build it.
Yes, the real thing. The real dream.
Yeah man.
I hate this.
Yeah,
10
man.
years.
10 years.
You drop out.
Yeah,
no physical illness. No pills.
No, I'm on high blood pressure pills still, but I'm good. I'm born with it. You know, in the family, you know. In the gene, so I just
We respect you. You're a real dapper than fair. Drop out at 27 years up there now and still things wrong.
Yeah man.
27 years and can't give pops 100 years so I come down. You know so things time.
Yeah man, I know it is man.
So alright.